Hello everyone, today I'm going to be talking about my evidence number one, which is my proposal for my intended international experience. So, first off, I'm going to introduce my proposal. The university that I was thinking about going was the Technische Universität of Berlin, which ranks number 148 in the whole world, while having Tecnológico de Monterrey rank about 160. This being a higher rank in the whole world, which means it has a better quality of education. The reason why I want to do this exchange is because I'm going to get into intercultural skills that are going to help me throughout my whole professional life. I'm going to get better knowledge of the culture. I'm going to know better. This knowledge of culture will allow me to know more organization and institution, how culture can affect the communications and language, and how to be more sensitive towards the stereotypes of different places. So, to begin, I'm going to develop a discussion of this proposal considering these next points. First off, the location. Of course, this university is in Germany, which is located specifically right now in Berlin. This means that I'm going to have some very interesting borders that I want to also explore and use while I'm on Berlin. I can go to places such as Poland, Belgium, or France. You can see right now on screen the map of Germany and how many places I have available to me in order to expand my horizons. Also, I can remember that the map of the very university has some very interesting places, which you can also see right now on screen. While I'm in Germany, I'm going to see a lot of different things, and there's a lot of culture inside of these places. We have a lot of traces inside of Germany and inside of specifically Berlin. Germany is known to have a lot to do with history and especially with world wars. So we have a lot of history that we can explore throughout museums that can be related to war, and we also have very interesting places such as the Berlin Wall. I also have a sense of this place that is interesting to me as an engineer, because I admire a lot of the people that come from Germany, a lot of scientists such as Max Born, Otto Hahn, or even Albert Einstein. There's also a lot of power dynamics that happen in this place, which are different from the place that I live in, such as different laws. For example, the legal drinking age in Germany is just 16 years old. You need to be 18 years old to drink hard liquor, but you can drink beer from as young as 16 years old. And also there's a lot of very interesting places such as special highways which allow you to go as fast as you want, which is also something that is very interesting and especially in Germany. Also, if I were to compare this place of Germany with my home, I'll also see a lot of difference, especially in culture and how the streets and all the places are more somehow adapted to mankind and how we can walk on streets instead of having to go on cars everywhere, which happens a lot in my city of origin, which is Monterrey. Now that we've established why I like and why I think it is important to go to Germany, I'm going to start listing what is my plan for this international experience. So I gotta take a lot of things into consideration. First off, the Universität of Berlin is of course inside of the universities that Tecnológico of Monterrey has some type of deal with, so I can go and do an exchange while I pay the same scholarship that I'm paying right now. This is helpful since I won't have to worry about extra payments. Also, something that is very interesting in Germany is that renting a place is very cheap. It looks like it is around 788 to 686 pounds a month, and while doing some research on my own, I found places that were going for as cheap as 12,000 pesos, which is something that is totally affordable, 12,000 a month. Also, I can further study the geography of this place. There's a lot of interesting places which I can use and I can explore as to further increment my knowledge of Germany and the culture it has. Now, in order to get to my goal, I have to make a list of things. There are some requirements that I have to do. I have been practicing German for 2 years now. I started in preparatory school. So I have some knowledge. I'm right now at B1. So I need to get to a level of at least B2 or C1, which I am working right now. I'm going to be taking classes. I am taking classes of German right now, and I'm going to be taking classes on spring breaks and on winter breaks so that I can try to push this whole German learning process further. So this is one of the things that I need to do. I also need to get my C1 at least on English, which I already have from some tests, but I'm going to need to get the TOEFL one. So I need to do that as soon as I can. Hopefully I can do that on February so that I can start getting some things for my exchange. I also need to worry about the type of classes that I'm going to take, so that is also something that I have to check with the university. And I gotta keep my grades as good as possible. Right now I have an average grade of 95, which is very good, but I think that I can push that even further to have a better place when trying to get into a school. Now concluding, it is critical to remember the reason why I'm doing this exchange. I want to do this exchange to get better abilities, to get better intercultural skills, to get different set of abilities that are going to help me in my professional life. I need to get a better knowledge of different cultures, and I need to learn how to deal with different people from different places. This will help me make deals, or this will help me relate with people from all over the globe, which will make me indeed someone who does not live in only one place, but can live anywhere it needs to be, so that I can accomplish my goals. It don't matter where they are. Thank you.